Hello, everyone. On this problem, we're going to work on rounding numbers. Which number rounds to 5,000 when rounded to the nearest hundred? Okay, well, let's look at these numbers. So first of all, we have 4,905. What is in our hundreds place? It's a 9, so that's the one that we're rounding. You may say, I'm looking to the neighbor to the right. It's a 0, so that means I round down. That may be how you do it. Also, remember, we could also say, well, which two hundreds is that in between? Well, if we looked at a number line, okay, we would have the two hundreds that it's in between. We have 4,900. The next hundred is 5,000. Okay, which one is it closer to? It is much closer to 4,900. What about 4,945? Well, that's getting very close to the middle, but it's still closer to 4,900. Also, if we look at our hundreds place, if we look at that neighbor to the right, it's a 4, so that also tells us that we round down. Okay, next, 4,960. I think we have a winner here because that would be right about here. So it is closer to 5,000. That one is going to round to 5,000. If we look at the 9, we look at the neighbor to the right, that says round up. If you're going, wait, how do I round up 900s? Well, we could read this as, let me erase that real quick. Get my pen to work. We could look at this as 49 hundredths. So when we round up 49, that becomes 50 hundredths or 5,000. At any rate, we know that the answer is C. But let's check D. It's always good to check them all, even if you find the answer. Next, we have 5,100. Well, there's a 1 in the hundreds place. There's a 0 beside it. It is already rounded to the nearest hundred. So it would not be that one. All right, my friends. Thanks so much for joining me. Come back again. We'll work some more together. I'll see you soon.